When people say to me, why are you able to have a church? You're not a church. I ask them, well, what is church? And their definition of a church is the minister, the four walls, and the congregation and collection of tithes, right? And that is okay. That's the public and that is emotional. But when it comes to law, church can't be defined. There's a clear distinction between the church and the state. It can't be defined because it will be a violation of the First Amendment, period. In the First Amendment, you have freedom of religion. Well, religion is your inner dictates, your beliefs, your belief system, right? So if the IRS defined church, they would be violating something that God gave me, and they cannot and will not do that.